Welcome to the demonstration of Carrot app by Minda iConnect. To use the connected car feature of your new Toyota Fortuner, you will be needing this application on your mobile phone. This application is supported on iOS and Android platforms and can be downloaded from Apple App Store or Google Play Store respectively. We'll be demonstrating the same on Android platform for now. To download this application from Google Play Store, you have to navigate to the Play Store. Go to the search section and search for the name Carrot, that is CAROT. The first result by the name of Carrot, Upgrade to Smart Card, is the one which you have to download. Once downloaded and installed, you have to open the application and log into your account which was created by your Toyota dealer at the time of handing over the vehicle to you. After logging in, you will be taken to the dashboard section of the application, and in the dashboard section you can see various options such as last known location, driver score, car health, and different tabs. First, let's go into the details of last known location section. In this section, you can see the last location of the vehicle along with the date and time when it was reported onto the server. You can also see the details of where vehicle is actually located right now and if the vehicle has driven the path that it took to travel. In this section, you can see that there's a map icon. You can click on this and it will show you the map screen. On that map screen, you can see there's a small vehicle icon on the bottom right. Clicking on this will show you the pedestrian distance to vehicle along with the path which the person has to take from his mobile phone so that he can go directly to his vehicle. This is a very helpful feature in case the vehicle is parked in parking lot and you need to search for it. Another feature is share location of vehicle. Once user clicks on this share icon, a new screen will be presented where he can see various options for the duration for which he wants to share location of vehicle. User can choose anything from 15 minutes to 12 hours. Let's say we selected 3 hours for now and click on the icon on which app you want to share the location such as SMS, WhatsApp or email. User can also click on the cross icon right below revoke access section. Clicking on this will stop sharing the vehicle location with the users who are using or not using the application. The second section of the app is driver score, which shows you overall performance score as well as safety score, trip efficiency score and the fuel efficiency score based on your driving. The third section of the dashboard is called vehicle health. It shows the health of your vehicle's battery or impact if it is detected in case. If there is any issue with the battery of the vehicle or an impact is detected, then the icons will turn red and will display accordingly. On the top right corner of the screen, there is an alert section. In this section, you can see various alerts related to the application such as geofencing, overspeeding, underspeeding, engine on, off, or let's say impact. Now I will move to the next section of the app, which is trip section. In this section, you can see various trips which are generated by a vehicle along with the start location, time, distance, average speed and other details related to it. User can see details of trip by clicking on the map icon on the screen. On this section, user can see complete trip which was taken by the vehicle along with the start and end icon, and if in case there were any events generated in between, then these will be displayed according to the color codes which are mentioned above. User can click on this play icon to play the complete path, how the vehicle was driven. User can click on trip score to see details about the trip score, how he has been rated for safety, trip efficiency and fuel efficiency and overall score for this trip. This score may vary from trip to trip based on how the person was driving. Next section of app is geofence, in which we can create or delete geofence for getting notified when the vehicle was entered or exited from a specific parameter. A new fence can be created by clicking on the plus icon on the bottom right. Click it and you will be presented with a screen where user can select location name, distance for new geofence and name for that. So for example, I'll just mention it as India Gate. geofence which I have created for the same is, let's say, 2 kilometers, and by the name of India Gate. I'll click on add fence and a new geofence will be created. So whenever vehicle will enter India Gate geofence within 2 kilometers, I will get a push notification for the same. User can also click these 3 dots to edit or delete any specific geofence which was created on this app. The next section is vehicle section. In vehicle section, there are 3 subsections known as car health, maintenance, and car profile. User can also see 2 different icons here, battery and impact, which are similar to the icons which are there on the dashboard. User can click on any of the icon or the clock displayed next to it to see battery alerts or impact alerts generated by this device in past 12 months. In the maintenance section of this app, user can upload the documents such as insurance, pollution, or driving license, and he can also save the service dates for reminders. Next is the car profile section. In the car profile section, user can add details about the vehicle, about the type of vehicle, the year, gear type, fuel details, and other things. User can click on this pencil icon and can save it. The last section on the dashboard is safety. In the safety section, it is recommended that user fill in all 5 details, all 5 contact numbers in the order of their preferences. If in case of distress or SOS, the person need to be contacted, then they will be contacted in the order of preference which is mentioned here. It is recommended that you give contact permission to the application at all time. In case user has more than one vehicle, he can change vehicles by tapping on the name which is displayed on the top. For example, this one. And the data for the newly selected vehicle will be displayed to him. On the left section, user can visit various secondary sections of the app such as My Profile, Manage Account, My Preferences, Mailbox, SOS, Help, and Logout. In My Profile section of the app, user can see details which are created by the dealer at the time of creating an account. If in case user want to edit this detail on the screen, this can be performed by tapping on the edit icon on the screen. Again, tapping the save icon will save these details onto the server. It might be possible that user want to change the password. It can be done by clicking on this change password form here. The user must remember the old password for this. Next section is My Preference section of this application. From this section, user can switch on or off push notification or alerts which you get in the alert section for each and every type of event when they occur. It might be possible that user has more than one vehicle. If that is the case, user can go to the Manage Account section and he can see various vehicles which are added to his account along with their subscription validity. User can also purchase a subscription from this screen only, or what he can also do from this screen is rename the vehicles which are available to him by clicking on this edit icon. Lastly, we'll talk about SOS section. To make full use of this section, it is recommended that user fill in all 5 emergency contacts in the safety section of the app and provide SMS permission to the app if asked. To trigger SOS, user should press the red button for 3 seconds and this will trigger SOS along with the SMS which will have the location and will be sent to the 5 emergency contacts of the user. This is a basic walkthrough of the Carrot application. If in case you need any more information, you can go to the help section, click on that, and it will present you the details of our customer service with the times and when can you be contacted.